Welcome back to 40 Years, 40 Reasons. Today we'll explore how GibbsCam extends tool lifespan. With GibbsCam, you can significantly boost sustainability by reducing waste, conserving resources, and cutting costs. Tools and their inserts wear out and must be replaced, but proper CNC programming practices can help your tools last longer. Here are a few examples of how GibbsCam supports you to increase tool life. Use VoluMill and VoluTurn. The algorithms in these functions are designed to reduce the stress on tools to improve cutting performance, but this can also increase tool life by as much as 500%. Choose better feeds and speeds. Import the tool manufacturer's recommendations directly with your tools, or automatically calculate safe speeds for generic tools with cut data. Optimize your face milling. Reverse arc entries and smooth corners can reduce the stress on face mill inserts, dramatically increasing their expected life. Use the notch ramp function to vary the cutting position of your turning inserts, spreading the wear along the cutting edge and increasing the life of every edge on the insert. Optimized CNC programming in GibbsCam helps extend tool life, reducing both operating costs and the environmental impact of your shop. Together, let's build a more sustainable and better future.